Alright, guys, let's see what happened yesterday. The price shot up a good 5%, then it hit this long time trend. Right, and I was watching this in real time. I was literally going to wait for a retest, and it just never came. It just started cascading down. And by around this time, I was already asleep. So I couldn't find the greatest entry or anything, but I was about to enter right there because previously I entered right about here, above it a little bit. And that was a very profitable trade. So the same thing happened. You can basically just watch Bitcoin at this point. Ethereum follows suit, and Bitcoin hit this line before Ethereum hit its long time diagonal resistance. So let's check out the total market. The total market cap for Bitcoin, it's also at 1.78. We got back above the 2, then we went down under. It is what it is. The DXY gaining strength, which is inversely correlated to Bitcoin most of the time. The stock market broke the support. Now we're going down to this lower leg. So today looks like there's more pain coming. It might bounce there a little bit, but most likely it'll go down another 3%, which from the top, about 10%. This is usually when the Feds come out and say that they won't be hawkish. They'll continue printing. Whenever historically it's dumped around this point, they've always stepped in without a doubt because they get certain phone calls from Wall Street and other places. People don't like losing money. Open interest on a downward spiral. We got about, I don't know how long. They must have been opened at like 30. They must have been opened around here. So they're just holding on to their positions, not wanting to dump it, which will happen soon once they get liquidated. Funding is about negative or neutral, right? OKEX for some reason is heavy on Bitcoin, but heavy short on Bitcoin, but most places are sort of neutral. This is why that short squeeze just is not going to come at these levels. Fear and greed, 19. Going down to the lows at like 10. Seems like it's going to go there. So where am I looking for a bounce? Let's just do Bitcoin. There's no point checking anything else. 37,500. I would, it bounced off this. I'm going to wait for another little strike, and I'm going to try to use it to trade a little bit. Place a stop loss behind this. If not, we're going down to 30,000, right? So depending on how the stock market opens is going to dictate where we're going. Let me see. The stock market opens in 7:30, so in an hour, exactly in an hour. So we'll see what happens. I mean, it's the weekend. It's not great. We'll find out. But those are the spots I'm looking at. All right, I'm keeping an eye on 2380, and Ethereum right now is passing it, but it's still around the golden pocket. So Ethereum has been doing a lot better than Bitcoin. So I'm hoping this maybe does something like this and then goes up. Right, bounces off of it. If it bounces off of it, I'm gonna use it. Otherwise, we're going down here, most likely. So that's it.